If you're wanting to step into the blogging world but don't know where to start, then this video is for you. Blogging is an incredibly rewarding experience and can provide you with incredible financial gains. In this blog post, we'll provide you with 4 essential and easy steps to make money blogging and how to maximize your profits. Choose a profitable niche. When you start blogging, the first and foremost step is to find a profitable niche. It's essential to do your due diligence and research different topics and themes that you can cover in your content. There are plenty of resources available online to help you choose a profitable blog niche. For example, Keyword Tool, Ahrefs Content Explorer, and Google Trends. Once you've identified a few niches you're passionate about, it's time to get creative. You can create captivating and engaging content that will draw in a wide audience and result in larger income opportunities. Scale your content. This can be done through various channels, such as creating multiple blog posts or articles focused around the same topic, or increasing your online presence by joining a few online forums. Additionally, you'll want to look into ways to optimize your content for SEO. This includes using keywords, internal or external links, and optimizing your content titles for search keywords. Doing so will help you create content that can easily be found when people are searching for answers to their questions. Promote and grow. Yet another essential step in how to make money blogging is to promote and grow your blog. You'll want to look into ways to spread the word about your blog and engage with your audience. This can be done through social media, guest blog postings, email marketing, and more. It's also important to focus on growing your audience and building relationships with them. This can be done through various forms of content marketing, such as offering special discounts, giveaways, or incentives. You can also start engaging in conversations and discussions related to your blog topic to draw in more readers. Monetize your blog. Finally, once you have an engaged and growing audience, it's time to monetize your blog. This can be done through various methods, such as offering sponsored posts, selling digital products, setting up an online course, creating ebooks, or becoming an affiliate. You can also consider offering other services or products related to your blog topic to further add value to your blog and increase your profits. If you liked the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.